Hi, this is Heather Golden, your River Strand Realtor with RE/MAX Alliance Group. I wanted to put together this quick video to answer a very common question I get a lot, which is what is the difference between the single family homes within River Strand? So first of all, if you take a look at our handy Google map here, I put together just an overview of the community. And you can see right here is where you come in the main gate. This is where that gate is in the main clubhouse. To the left of that is the sanctuary, and these homes do not include a golf deeded membership. But to the right of that, all of these single family homes include the golf deeded membership. What you can't see on this map are the completed section here. These homes are in the moorings. And then right here, you will see the tail end of River Enclave Court. These are some homes that were completed right here at the end of that cul-de-sac as well. And so to start with the first category here on Heritage Grand Place, they're really broken down by streets. With Heritage Grand Place, we start with the estate homes. And that also includes the moorings section that I just showed you and that tail end on River Enclave Court. Those are broken down by size, so they're 85-foot front lots. These were going to include a lot of the larger floor plans, 3-car garages, and on Heritage Grand Place, almost every single home on that street has a golf course view, not all, but almost every one, as well as a water view. On the moorings, you're not going to have golf views, neither on River Enclave Court, you won't have any golf views, but you will have, a couple will have amazing river views, and you'll have some really nice water views as well from those two sites. So the 85 front lots for those homes. The next section is called the Classics, and those are located on River Preserve Drive and River Crane Street. And those are 75-foot front lots, so just getting a little bit smaller. You go around the corner on Grand Estuary Trail and you come to Grand Preserve Cove. These are 65 front lots, and these are, again, 3-car garages, but you don't have any golf course views. You do have water views and preserve views on Grand Preserve Cove. Then you come around a little bit further around on Grand Estuary Trail and you come to the Enclave. These are 55-foot front lots. Almost all of these homes have 2-car garages. And remember, again, the exception is at the very end of River Enclave Court where those larger estate homes are. But these streets here, you have Heritage Sound Drive, Hammock Edge Place, River Enclave Court, and Winding River Trail. So these homes make up the Enclave. It is important that I'm mentioning lot sizes because while that seems like obviously a differing factor, it also comes into play because we're a maintenance-free community. So you're paying a little bit more money for a larger lot, obviously, to have them take care of your lawn. They're going to be doing lawn care as far as edging, mowing, and blowing. They are going to be adding new mulch twice a year for you, as well as taking care of trimming the bushes. So those things are going to cost a little bit more based on the size lot that you have. Another question I get a lot is, I'm not a golfer. Do I have to opt in on this golf thing, or can I opt out? And the answer is yes, you have to go with whichever property you choose. So it's either golf deeded or it's not. So if you're not interested in golf, you may want to look in the sanctuary. But it does add, I think, to the resale value to have a golf home, even if you are not a golfer today. And you may take up some lessons, you never know. So I hope that answered your questions. Feel free to call me if you have any more. I'd be more than happy to help you out if you're looking to buy here in River Strand, and or if you're looking to sell your home and you're looking for the specialist in the neighborhood. I'm your River Strand Realtor. I do over 80% of my business here. So you can reach me by cell, 941-779-5617, and my website, www.riverstrandhomesearch.com, or send me an email, heather@soldbygolden.com. We'll be looking forward to seeing you in sunny Florida soon here at River Strand Golf and Country Club. Thanks so much.